really should get a bit more practice welding. I thought, why not build my own welding table, which will have an area to keep my welder, gas canister, nice and safe instead of actually a trolley. Because I don't have that much space. If I want to play around learning how to weld with a welding table, why not make the welding table also the trolley so I can move that around as well? Before I attempt mainly the floor here. So I have a nice big 6mm steel that we're going to turn into the top of our welding table today. Drilling 16mm holes throughout, which allows us to put clamps on it as and when we want in the future. Right, so we managed to drill a certain amount of holes. However, my dad's milling machine couldn't get all the way across the actual piece of metal. So we decided to start putting a few down both sides, and then we're going to run a load of them along the back. However, it is Easter weekend, so I've got a little bit of time on my own. So I'm going to start building the actual table itself out of all this metal here. So right, the first thing I'm going to do is actually build like a frame. So the frame itself, it's going to go all the way around the actual table. The table is going to be a 600 by 800 meter square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put some tube around here, and I'm going to be using my nice new Artec Welding MIG 181, and it's kind of cheating. It's perfect. Basically, you select to say the diameter of your wire and the diameter of the metal. So here we go. Turn it on quickly just to show you. Here we go. So on the left hand here, we can see it says 0.8. Hopefully you can. So that's the diameter of the actual wire itself. And then here, 0.8. So actually, I think the tube that we're using is about a 1.2. So say the work thickness is 1.2. And then the machine sets up itself, the welder sets it up itself, which is awesome. So my welding skills are fairly basic. I have learned a little bit from Bob at the machine shop, link here, to a video of myself and Imogen, actually more Imogen, learning how to weld. So Bob at the machine shop runs a welding course, and Imogen, 11 years old, went along and learned. Bob's absolutely amazing teacher, so fully recommend that. Go and watch our video. Quick tack all four corners there, just to make the initial frame. Gonna pop in a center one here. Can't be deadly center because those screws are deadly. Those holes are bang central, so I'm gonna have to offset them slightly. But then top frame is done, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually weld in the actual frame together. There we go. Right. Might not be pretty, but it's done. So please don't judge me because I'm learning. That's not too bad. Here we go, it's the first leg. Done quite a lot of trying to ensure it's directly upright. I don't want a wonky table. So I'm gonna tack that one in, get in a second leg, and see where we go from there. Good. So a lesson from Bob very much taught me to slow down, and I'm afraid to say I wasn't being as slow as I probably should have been. However, practice makes perfect. happy with that one. Slow down. Greg, we're getting there. So the idea is, this part here is going to be a shelf for that. So it's trial and error. Basically, because I've not really messed around with welding too much, it's worked out, it kind of makes sense to actually put the magnet this side to hold it, make sure it's upright. So now, when I use my square, it sits bang upright. If I'd known that before the first two legs, probably would have been quicker. Right, so I'm having to stop for today. Got family over, being it's Easter. But I'm quite pleased with that. A couple of nice welds, a couple of dodgy welds.
Hey guys, I'm back in business.
I bought some wheels. So we're going to try attaching those. But the first thing we've got to do is we've got to put one more frame across the, like this across the bottom. Mainly just to make sure the structure's solid, and also that we can actually eventually attach the gas bottle when we're moving it around.
Welder's an odd. I always hit myself in the Does the other side look bad? Which is what it looks like.
There you go.
Nice weld. I'm also going to show you the other side just to annoy my dad. Ready? Sorry.
Thanks, Sims. Not so good. Anyway.
I could do better than that.
There we go. First welding project done. Little table, some brakes on it. And it means the weld can be nicely stored. Perfect.